Jai Hind everyone, I welcome you all to my channel Drill Square, formerly known as Master SSB. The name has been changed, logo has been changed and many more things are going to be changed that you'll see in the coming videos. So this is our picture. बहुत टाइम लगा बहनचो इसको AI से बनाया मैंने इस फोटो को. It is almost close to the original picture. The picture shows 4 male characters inside an indoor workspace. On the extreme left, the man is seated on a chair, attentively looking at the table with a focused and thoughtful mood, and he is slightly more aged than the rest 3. Rest 3 of them are around 20 to 25 years of age. Standing next to him is another man who is looking towards the table with both his hands on the table and seemingly explaining or highlighting something. His posture and hand gestures suggest an engaged and instructive mood. Across the table, 2 more men are standing and observing the table closely. One appears to be leaning forward with his hands near the table, showing concentration, while the other stands upright with a calm and attentive expression. The table has a large flat sheet, a map maybe, along with a pen and books. The overall atmosphere appears a bit formal, cooperative and work-oriented. So this is our picture, and without wasting any time, have a look at our theme 1. And for this theme, this aged character will be our main hero. Rohit was working as a general manager in the company and was assigned the task of organizing a corporate health checkup for all employees. He called a meeting with senior team leaders and laid out the blueprint of the workplace on the table. Using the map, Rohit clearly explained the flow of movement and finalized locations for testing booths, privacy screens, entry and exit points, and ambulance parking. He encouraged inputs from the team leaders, ensured everyone was aligned with the plan, and then delegated tasks among them. The same evening, Rohit addressed all employees, requested them to register on time and take the initiative seriously. Rohit then contacted multiple private labs and hospitals, compared their quotations, and finalized a reliable service provider. He told the team leaders to send reminder emails to employees 2 days before the event. Rohit also arranged breakfast for both the hospital staff and employees since the tests were to be done empty stomach. On the day, Rohit monitored the arrangements throughout the day and ensured everything ran on schedule. At the end, Rohit praised his colleagues for their collective efforts that made the initiative successful. Friends, here's the explanation of our theme 1. First, neutral and positive approach. There is no negative situation, no emergency, nothing wrong has been shown. It is a neutral picture and hence we have given our hero a task and made him achieve smartly. The story begins with a routine organizational responsibility without any panic or conflict. Rohit approaches the task calmly and responsibly, focusing on employee welfare rather than reacting to a problem. Second, connection with the picture. The image shows young professionals gathered around a table, closely examining a layout. This aligns with Rohit discussing the workplace blueprint with senior team leaders and finalizing logistics directly on the map. Third, planning and organizational skills. Rohit systematically planned every detail: testing booths, privacy screens, entry-exit flow, and ambulance parking, showing foresight and structured thinking essential for large-scale coordination. Fourth, employee-centric mindset. Addressing employees personally about health, arranging fasting-friendly breakfast, and ensuring privacy during tests highlighted Rohit's concern for comfort, dignity, and well-being. Fifth, delegation and teamwork. Instead of working alone, Rohit involved team leaders, delegated tasks like reminders, and ensured everyone played a role, reflecting participative leadership. Sixth, resource management and decision making. By calling for quotations and finalizing a suitable hospital, Rohit demonstrated financial prudence and practical decision making. Seventh, positive ending. The health checkup was conducted smoothly, cooperation was acknowledged, and the event ended on a successful and appreciative note, reinforcing teamwork and collective responsibility. Okay, so this was explanation of theme 1. Now for the second theme, this guy will be our hero. Alright, so have a look at our theme 2. Rohit was in his final year of college and also held the responsibility of student sports secretary. He was entrusted with organizing a 10-kilometer run within the university campus to promote fitness among students. Rohit met the event convener along with his peers and carried the university blueprint to plan the event systematically. Together they finalized the running route, water points, medical aid points and safety arrangements. After approval, Rohit divided responsibilities among his team, assigning tasks like online volunteer registration, printing bib numbers and arranging refreshments and glucose. He coordinated with technical vendors for chip timers and supervised the setup of the start and finish lines. Rohit prepared general instructions covering the event schedule and safety guidelines and ensured they were displayed on notice boards across the campus. He also coordinated with the college director for the flag off ceremony and prize distribution. On the event day, Rohit arrived 2 hours early to review arrangements and resolve last minute issues. He briefed and motivated the volunteers, ensuring smooth coordination. The run was conducted successfully with active participation. Rohit concluded the event by appreciating his peers for their teamwork and dedication. Okay friends, so here's the explanation of our theme 2. First, neutral and positive approach. Just like theme 1, the story maintains a calm, professional tone throughout, focusing on planning, coordination and teamwork without introducing any unnecessary conflict or stress. Second, connection with the picture. The image shows young individuals discussing something on a table which aligns well with Rohit discussing the event plan using a university blueprint along with his peers and the event convener. Third, leadership and responsibility. Rohit's role as the sports secretary is clearly reflected through his initiative in planning the run, coordinating with authorities and taking ownership of the entire event. Fourth, planning and organizational skills. The use of a campus map, finalizing routes, water points, medical locations and start-finish lines highlights Rohit's structured and methodical approach to event management. Fifth, delegation and teamwork. Rohit smartly distributed tasks among his peers, ensuring smooth handling of registrations, logistics, refreshments and technical arrangements like chip timers. Sixth, proactive execution. Reaching the venue 2 hours early, checking arrangements and motivating volunteers shows foresight, discipline and attention to detail. Seventh, positive ending. The successful completion of the run and Rohit appreciating his peers reinforces a sense of collective achievement and leaves the story on an encouraging and constructive note. Now friends, this was the explanation of a theme 2. For both the themes, there is one common point that I would like to reflect. See, a room is shown in the picture, right? I have tried to keep both of my stories within the either the college campus or the office campus. See, your endeavor should be कि तुम picture के बाहर ना जाओ. Your stories, both of your stories should be within the picture or at least nearby the picture. ऐसा नहीं कि तुम लोग ये बंदे दिख रहे फिर तुम कहीं टूर पे निकल के घूमने के लिए you went some at some other place not related to the picture. That should not happen. That will be taken as a preconceived story. So try to keep your stories as close as possible to your picture and as close as possible to the environment shown in the picture. Alright. So friends, I have given you 2 themes on this very important picture. So be prepared for this picture. This will definitely figure out in one of your SSBs. If you have more themes, please comment in the comment section. Friends, you might have seen a picture in which there are no characters, but there is a table, 4 chairs, saucers and cups with the almirah and curtain in background. If you want story on the same, the picture is there on your screen. You can click on it, go through the video and see the story. So this was our video. I'll see you in the next one. Till then, Jai Hind.